This instructional video shows changing the UV bulb in your TCIM's TrueZone UV system. Warning: electrical shock or burn hazard. Toggling the rocker switch does not remove power from all components. Unplug the ice machine or disconnect power before servicing. Optical radiation hazard. Do not look directly at the light. Always disconnect power before servicing the bulb. Sharp edges. Take care when installing, cleaning, servicing, and maintaining the equipment. Do not dispose of bulbs with household waste. Bulbs contain mercury. Follow local disposal regulations. Required tools. Required tools include, but may not be limited to, the following: Phillips screwdriver or bit driver, 1/4 inch hex head driver. Disconnect power to the ice machine. Let the bulb cool at least 2 minutes before proceeding. Open the front panel or remove the front grille. Remove the top panel. If top access is not available, remove the right panel screw. Then pull the bottom of the panel away from the unit and lift upwards. Remove the TrueZone bracket screws. Slide out the TrueZone assembly. Remove the UV bulb assembly. Remove the existing UV bulb. Dispose of the bulb in accordance with local and federal ordinances. Install the replacement bulb. Be sure the notch in the rubber seal faces the right side panel. Reinstall the TrueZone assembly. If top access is available, remove the existing UV bulb. Dispose of the bulb in accordance with local and federal ordinances. Install the replacement bulb. Be sure the notch in the rubber seal faces the right side panel. Reinstall all covers and panels removed to access the bulb. Restore power. Verify UV bulb operation.